Hello, we make this video to demonstrate how to use our cost management system. This is Team 63. First, we need to go into the Oracle VirtualBox. This VirtualBox should already have all the Apache and PHP setup. So here is a diagram, a deployment diagram of our system. We have a web-based user interface, and there are a couple buttons and displays. And the backend is a Java program. And the Java program can talk with a machine learning algorithm to determine the rank of classes. And there is a database system. We are actually using a file system based on the CSV file. The Java program can read and edit those CSV files like a database. And similarly, the web interface can also communicate with the file system to update the corresponding CSV file or read their content. Okay, then how to use our system? Because it's a web-based, we need to go to the root directory of our web service. So we use Apache. It's pre-installed in this VirtualBox. And if we click computer, var 3w html, and we put the source code. This is the source code, and here is the test case. So let's unzip this source code. We put all the source code file, including one Java file and a couple PHP file and a starting point index.html file and some JavaScript library and images. Okay, we copy everything into this folder directly. Then we, if we want to try user case 20, go to user case 20. We copy all the CSV files, okay, into the same folder. We need to make sure all the CSV files and the PHP files and all the source code files are in this HTML folder. This is the starting point of the Apache service. Okay, now let's open Firefox. Okay, the address is localhost.index.html, and if we go there, see we have all our system working properly, and the first term 0 is automatically loaded, and you can see the output generated from the Java program. You will have the right part, you will have which courses are being taught and the student status and costs. Also the request processing, it will show whether requests are granted or not. And the left part, it will show which term it now, and a table. This table shows which instructor is assigned to which course. It's actually the course part is like editable, so you have a chance to reassign instructor, and we will talk about this in later section. Okay, now here is a button, see process next term. Okay, if we click this, so now it's in term 1, and you will see the results here also change in term 1. And there are some features. For example, this request is denied, and our system will show it's missing prerequisite and show which requisite is missing. So it's very powerful system. And let's proceed to next term, and pay attention to the order of the courses. If we go to next term, oh, see, there are some changes in the course assigned. That's because the Java program is linked to a machine learning package, and from that package it will determine the rank of the course based on students' requests and the records. So, and the table here is actually all the course assigned is actually based on the ranking of the cars. The higher ranked cars will show up earlier. And there is another feature. If the user is not satisfied with some course assignment, for example, you want to reassign this course to something like 80, you can do that from the drop-down menu, and from there you can see there's a new button shows reprocess current term with the reassigned courses. If you click this, the table here will also be updated, and this is based on the reassigned courses. And there are also some good features. For example, the third instructor, it has course 5 date structure, and if we assign this instructor David to course 5, what will happen? For example, let's assign it to course 5. So the system will tell you there is a conflicting assignment. The third instructor will be removed from course. It asks you to reassign the third instructor. See, the third instructor is removed from course 5, and it will highlight with red to show this instructor have no course assigned. When someone have no course assigned, you cannot proceed with reprocess. You can also not proceed with next term. So every instructor have to have a course assigned. For example, let's assign him to this course. Okay, then reprocess. We can reprocess, or we can just go to next term. Okay, that's pretty much all the features how to use the system. Like the output is very powerful. It will give a lot of details about why the requests are being denied, and you can continue. I think there are 25 test cases, and you can see sometimes sometimes the calls are changing order. See, the order is changing. That's because it's linked to a backend machine learning algorithm. And if we keep clicking next term, the last term is term 25. If we continue click, the button will disappear, and there is a checkbox asking whether you want to go back to term 0. If you click go back to check it, it will go to term 0. That's finish the whole test case. And if you want to reset the system, you just reload the web page, and it will reset to test case 0. That's pretty much everything about it. Thanks for watching.